Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your touchpad settings on your Chromebook. So if you want to adjust how your touchpad responds to different actions, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So you're going to start off by opening up the time settings. So go ahead and just left click on the time, bottom corner of the system shelf. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to left click on the gear icon. Where you hover over it, it should say settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And now on the left side, you want to select the settings button where there's three horizontal lines. Where you hover over it, it says main menu. Go ahead and left click on that. And now select device. Now underneath device, if you had a touchpad, it would be listed underneath of here. So since I am not on a laptop device, it's not going to show up obviously for me, but if you had a touchpad, it would show up. So once you would select that, it would open up additional options, such as turning the tap to click on or off, tap dragging, touchpad acceleration on or off, swapping your primary mouse buttons, so you want to switch your left to your right or your right to your left. You can also adjust how quickly your pointer moves, and then you can also choose the type of scrolling. So if you want to do reverse scrolling, so swipe up to move the page up versus what's traditionally swipe down to move the page down, which would be the inverse of what's traditionally swiping up to move the page up. So instead of doing that, it would do the inverse, so swiping up would move the page down. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.